In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product listings on Shopify with ease. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, understanding how to navigate this platform can really help you streamline your online store operations. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to My Store on the Shopify admin page. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your store. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will save you a lot of time in the long run. Next, click on Products. This section is crucial because it's where you can view all your products at a glance. It's the hub for managing your inventory effectively. You'll see a list of products displayed. For today's lesson, let's focus on Example Shirt 2. By clicking on it, you'll access the detailed information about this particular item. Now, one of the first things you might want to do is modify the title of your product. To do this, simply click on Title. The title is often the first thing your customers see, so make sure it accurately represents the product while being engaging enough to grab attention. Following this, clicking on Status allows you to change whether the product is active or archived. Knowing when to make a product active on your site is essential, especially if you're managing seasonal items or exclusive collections. Next up is Description. Here you have the space to really sell your item with words. It's important to be descriptive yet concise, so your potential customers can have a clear understanding of what they're more purchasing. Then let's take a look at Media. This is where you upload images or videos associated with your product. Quality visuals are just as crucial as a strong description because they provide customers with a clear representation of what they're buying. Make sure your media is high quality and showcases the product from various angles. Moving on, when you click on Publishing, you can determine where your product will appear on your store. This step is particularly useful when you're running promotions or adding new inventory and want to control visibility. Next, Category helps you organize your products into sections. Organization is key, especially when the store grows, to give your customers a better shopping experience. For the Example Shirt 2, placing it under Arts and Entertainment might be suitable if it fits the theme. Lastly, the Inventory section is where you can keep track of stock levels. Ensuring this is accurate is important so you don't accidentally sell more items than you have in stock. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of managing product listings on Shopify. Regularly updating and reviewing these details will help maintain a professional and efficient online store experience for your customers. Thank you for joining me today and happy selling!